Hi everyone, welcome back to my page or channel. If you are new, please you are welcome. I would like to share with you my new own pattern. For me it's unusual project and I made it of natural yarn. This is 100% linen yarn. Can be scrubby for bath, crochet kitchen sponge, scrubby towel, face scrubbies. And as you can see, this is transformer project. It can be like napkin holder or toothbrush holder. For this example, I did 2 optional hanging loops, but you can crochet only 1. It depends where you will use it. Crochet scrubbies are the perfect additional to any kitchen, and they are more durable and more stylish than most store-bought sponges and clothes. Plus, you can use leftover yarns to make them at much more affordable price. So you can crochet scrubbies in your own kitchen to score pots, pans and dishes. More extras and give them to others. I remind you, for this project I used 100% linen yarn, but as for me, I will use it to make up remove pads. And let's get started crocheting this simple scrubby. For work you need a crochet hook. I'm using hook 5 mm and natural yarns. This is 100% linen yarn, and you should put it in the half 4 times. Let's make this very useful item. Make a chain of 10. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 10 chains. My foundation chain is ready. I did 10 chains, I remind you. Let's crochet row 1. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. I'm making single crochet with picots. Make single crochet with picots. Make single crochet. I did single crochet, chain of 5 for the picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I insert the hook into the 2 loops of the single crochet, like this. Make a slip stitch. My picot is ready. Then single crochet into the next chain stitch. Then chain of 5 for the picot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into 2 loops, like this. Make a slip stitch. The picot is ready. So keep working in this way till the end of the foundation chain. I have done 10 single crochet with picots, and I remind you picot consists of 5 chains. Then I'm going to work with 2 rows of single crochet. Let's crochet them with me. Make a chain. And turn. I insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet. Oops. Then single crochet into the next stitch. Pull a little bit the stitches. Continue, make single crochet. And single crochet through the next stitch. So continue till the end of this row. Like this. I'm about to complete this row and make the last, the 10th single crochet. You should count. It should be 10 single crochet stitches, so you can count your stitches. Then chain to bring up the yarn. Then chain for the transition from one row to the second. It is going to be the second row with single crochet stitches. It will be the second row of single crochet stitches. My pattern consists of 2 rows. 2 rows of single crochet. One of them with picots and the second one is no picots. Make single crochet, now chain of 5 for the picot, and make a slip stitch into the loops of the single crochet. And continue, make single crochet, chain of 5 for the picot, and so on. I have done 3 rows. 2 of them are with picots and 1 of them is no picots. I have got 10 stitches with picots. Then I'm going to work in the same way as I showed you before. So let's repeat. Chain, turn the work, make single crochet. The next row will be a row of single crochet stitches without picots. Then you should crochet as many times as you need. Pattern consists of 2 rows. Make single crochet with picots and then make crochet stitches without picots. I have got 12 rows, so 6 of them are with picots and another 6 without them. Here what I have, and it is very simple and beautiful. Before completing the work, now I show you how to crochet. Let's make hanging loop for more beautiful look. What I do, I turn, make 10 You can crochet less chains. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. You can make single crochet and I'm doing a slip stitch. My hanging loop is ready. Here how it looks. So my washcloth is almost ready. I have already cut off the yarn and now I show you how to remove yarns. Like this. I insert the hook into the loop, take the working yarn, pull it through, take the working yarn, pull it through. So I'm using the crochet hook. You can use sewing needle and work along the swatch. My adorable scrubbie is ready. This is front. Let's look at the back side. I remind you, my scrubbies consist of 2 rows. One of them single crochet and another one is single crochet with picots. My scrubbies has 12 rows. And this scrubbie I'm going to use like makeup remove pads. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me, and don't miss new video tutorials.